Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to look at some work with you in NVDA. So NVDA has reported earnings, and now that we can see it here with the extended session data, we can see the bid of 305.80. So doing pretty well after these numbers have hit. And I wanted to show you a couple of ways of thinking about structuring your earnings trades in these kinds of situations. You know, the first thing that Home Depot, what did Home Depot teach us about NVIDIA? That extended markets can become further extended. So I've said in a lot of these previous videos, there's nothing bearish about new lifetime highs. And so many of these charts continue to really exemplify that. So very strong run into the report, consolidates, I should say, runs prior to the numbers, consolidates for a couple of weeks before, and then you get about a 3 standard deviation move when the numbers actually hit. So we just know, it's a market environment where extensions can move further, and then you move over to NVIDIA where it's more of the same. Or yes, it has seen a very strong run, especially after the split. But, there's no reason to fade this just because you feel like it's too lofty. So one way that we approached it in the options room was to structure this a little bit of it's kind of like a tilted Batman, sometimes also referred to as like a cat ear approach. But we're just giving ourselves 2 ways to make money. I was bullish on NVIDIA, but kind of added a little bit of a security contract here through the put side unbalanced butterfly. Basically, if it were to fall, as long as I can catch it in this zone, it could actually still be a really solid trade. And then working with the psychological price point to the upside of 300. So it's 2 different butterfly structures that give us, no risk to the upside, defined risk to the downside, and if we do end up opening up somewhere near this big round number of 300, that should, aid us in locking in some profits on that earnings idea. So I believe that is a structure worth studying. If you've got other earnings coming up or you want to deploy something similar, I think it's a great way to put the odds in your favor, and I hope you find it helpful as you continue to work through your option spread structures. So y'all have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the chat room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.